For the Audio Star Pro, we are going to set up for the QuickSIN test. So on this audiometer, we're going to go to More. It will be the third one down under QuickSIN. This test is run at 70 dB HL. For auditory processing dysfunction, it's a test of monaural low redundancy. So we're going to do it in each ear individually. Clinically, a lot of clinicians do the test binaurally, but we need to do two lists. The word list will start as the practice list. I have changed my settings on the audiometer so it starts as track 3 or list 1. The practice lists do not score, so if you accidentally start with the practice list, you're going to be doing 3 lists on one ear. So we're going to set it up with the right ear as channel 1. We're going to do list 1, track 3. Our source is internal. The CD name is QuickSIN, word list 1. And then to run this test, for my audiometer, you need to click the sentence and it'll play the sentence in that ear. So if you're looking at the channel setup, it's external A, inserts is our transducer, and we've got the right ear. You can score this, so it's out of 5, and it's the words that are all capitalized. So a white silk jacket goes with any shoes. If they got that correct, we're just going to click on the next sentence. And so the child crawled into the dense grass. And we'll say that they got 2 of those words wrong. So we just hit the incorrect button there. And then we would go to the next sentence. And we'll say they got that one correct. What's nice is as you go through this, it'll score it for you. And once we hit score, we'll be able to see that value here. When we have 2 tests, we'll be able to see that average up here. It'll probably put just the 1 up there, but it'll average it together for us as well. And so we're going to we'll say that they missed a couple words here. And then we'll say that they missed all 5 words here. So we hit incorrect 5 times. So it gives us that sum. Once it's done playing, I'm going to hit score. And so we've got that value there, that value there. They got 4.5. We would do our second list. And then click the sentence. So instructions for this test, I usually tell the patient, you are going to hear some sentences. There will be some background noise. Just do your best to repeat the words in the sentence back. You can extend that if you want to and tell them that the sentences, the background noise gets progressively harder or louder. You can kind of keep it short and simple or as detailed as you want. I'm just going to run these last few sentences so you can see the average because it should be done with 2 word lists. All right, so we'll say that they've finished that one. I'm going to wait for the sentence to be administered, hit score. And so it's taken the average of these 2 sentences or word lists, and then it puts it into the averages column here. For the left ear, you would just switch it to left ear, and then you would start a new word list. And you would be able to score that, and it would put those into this one. So we're going to hit score, and it's going to assume that they got all of these wrong. So they're just going to give us a very high SNR. And so you'll see that value there for the left. So it's very nice how it has it set up on the Audio Star. All right, so if you're scoring this, you'll want to do it ear specific for auditory processing dysfunction. And these are the Frank Gallon norms. And so you've got your average, standards, limits, And I would just put that value we had, so 4.0, and then the severity for that would be mild. We've got those there. You have that breakdown. That's in the manual for the QuickSIN test, which you can find. I'm pretty sure I found that one on Google, actually.